Hi there. I'm going to show you how to edit HTML of Google My Business. Let's begin. Now, if you're not happy with the way that Google shows your website name, then there are a few things that you can change. So here, script type equals to open quotes application / ID plus Jensen and then close quotes. All right, then context, okay. So that's going to be the link, and the type, it's going to be a website. And the name, Splits Kitchen, so you can just change it there if you want to, and then the URL. Now, in order for Google to make sure that it is putting the right site name to your website, you have to make sure that the site name that you want appears frequently in paragraphs, in the footer, and then the header, and just make sure that it is in the title as well. And one thing to keep in mind is that this only works for subdomains and top-level domains, nothing more. And this does not work for a Pro Directory website. Another thing to keep in mind is that it's going to take some time for Google to reflect the changes that you made to your website to the actual engine, so you just have to wait a bit. Now, if you want it to be sped up, then what you can try to do is you can request for the website to be re-indexed by using the console, and there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.